Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
A group of divers last made a shocking discovery while exploring near the remote Kokoya Island in Indonesia. There, stuck on the shallow ocean floor inside tanks, were two dugongs, unusual marine animals closely related to manatees. One of the divers, Dylan Lim, told the dodo that the animals, also known as sea cows, seemed to be a mother and held in separate cages with her calf. While the young dugong was held unreserved, a rope wrapped around her tail bound the adult. A local fisherman had caught the pair, presumably to profit from the visitors. "If we want to see the dugong or take a picture," he asked for some money, Lim said. While it's unclear how long the dugongs have been held hostage, Lim believes they've been stuck for more than a few weeks. Apparently, he said, the clothes are dirty and ripped. So deep are the cuts and cut on her back, it was very devastating. With the adult dugong, the divers were allowed to enter the cages, taking pictures and video of her incredible ordeal. Not wanting the animals in that sad state to continue suffering, the divers tried to persuade their captor to set them free, informing him that dugongs are a protected species, vulnerable to extinction. "When we left the island, the fisherman decided to have them released," said Lim, "but because we weren't so sure that he should, I uploaded the video to social media. So did the others. And it's a positive thing that they have done. Within hours, wildlife authorities have approached Lim, demanding the location of the cages. Officials descended to that spot the next day and found the animals still trapped. That's when they'd eventually be set free." Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.